Xenetic Biosciences, XBIO, a stock that was rocking and rolling, but it announced positive data from the partner's pivotal phase 3 clinical trial utilizing, you say that word. I hate saying these stupid words.
Polyzen?
Yeah, that's good. All right, that's good for me. Platform technology. All right, Dash seems to have a floor support level. The Dash trade did look like it had a floor. Was that, or was that not? No, it was the Airbnb had a floor support level. A Dash was moving sideways, right? Dash was moving sideways in a channel. Airbnb was the one that did have a floor level. All right, I want to short Dash. Well, check to see if your broker will let you do that. All right, that's the only thing I can say to you. That's the only thing I can say to you. All right, and my other stock of interest is City Upgrades Lexicon, another pharmaceutical. Surges 38% pre-market. That was yesterday or 2 days ago. Amid the collaboration chatter, the stock should regain momentum, noted by analyst Yigel Notromus, as partnership talks continue after an experimental diabetes drug. This is why it caught my attention. I'm a diabetic. I always look at stocks. What was that other stock, that diabetic stock? Anybody remember? We made some money on it. I forgot the diabetic stock. Anybody remember? Anybody remember? Anybody remember? I don't remember. We did it in the Jockey Club. One of my VV Nation from Jockey Clubs remember. No, it wasn't McRib. Really? Really, McRib? It wasn't Dexcom. It was another stock. All right, somebody's going to type it in the room, but it was a good diabetes stock. But here's two stocks that caught my stocks of interest. And, you know, every week I'm trying to give you an inexpensive stock to look at. Here's my inexpensive stock to look at this week. It's called BRF. Stock popped 8.8% today. It wasn't LVGO either. It was another stock. One of y'all will put it up there. Shares of Brazilian pork and poultry producer, 8.5%. A response to material fact about which company informed. So they're feeding a whole bunch of people. They're feeding. No, it wasn't that either. Tandem. That's it. That's the company on diabetes. Tandem Diabetes was the company. I knew one of you all were going to figure it out for me. But Lexicon, along with Tandem, from a diabetes front, there's a lot of stocks out there for diabetes. I might do a diabetes story. Joey, I think that's a good idea. I might do a diabetes story. I might do that. All right. So those are my two stocks, and this is my cheap stock. So let's go take a look at all three. I'm going to show, I did it again. I'm going to show you something about some of the cheap stocks that we've talked about. All right. I'm going to do that in a second. Let's go to the software. Where's my three stocks? LXRX. What was my other one? BRF, and what was my other one? XBIO. Whoa, look where XBIO sits. So this was a stock that was rocking and rolling. It made the news. It sits as dead last in my list. Dead last. Oh, it sits as dead last. So actually, it's overvalued. Look as much it's down. You know why it's down so much? That stock went up so much a couple of days ago. I bet you this is profit taking. Bet you this is profit taking. Let's talk about Lexicon. Trading at 314, value of 65. What's helping it? RT is moving it up. It's at 1.99. The stock's in an uptrend. And my cheap stock, all right, my cheap stock is trading at 444. Interesting. I found you a cheap stock that's undervalued. How cool is that with good upside potential? And in an uptrend and positive earnings growth rate. How cool is it to bring you to the forefront of an inexpensive stock? I'm trying to do that for you guys, for those of you who are looking for inexpensive stocks. And how about this? Bob says, just checked IB to short Dash, but they don't the shares right now, but it is shortable. Ooh, XBIO is a $6 million share placement deal. What do you mean by that? What am I missing? $6 million placement deal. You got to help me with explaining what you're saying, Mark. All right. Oh, by the way, Mark, I'm going to do this now, and I'm also going to do this in the Jockey Club because I want people to know. Mark sent everyone in the Jockey Club people, he sent us this. I want everybody to know. You see that? Mark, I want to say thank you. All right. Steve said thank you, and we're going to reach out to both Jerry and Patrick. I put you out on blast, Mark, because you do a lot for us individuals, and you do that over and over and over. So I want to bring you to the forefront and say thank you for that. He took care of us. So you're saying that, oh, XBIO is dilution. All right. So all right, I got you. I still think that big 23% down happens to be profit taking or no, maybe not. If it's dilution, they're putting a lot of shares out there. That's what it is. They're putting a lot of shares out there driving the stock's price down. I got you. All right, so I am here for Glenisms. I didn't bring out too much in the way of Glen. I did. What Glenism did I bring out? What? Clayton,
I don't remember. It was inoculation something.
Oh, inoculationosity. Yeah, that was my new Glenism. Inoculationosity. There you go. All right. Mark says, don't forget Joey is on. Oh, he's on the card. Oh, then yes, I didn't see the card. Steve just came over and brought it to me. He said it came from you. All right. So if Joey's on the card, Joey, that's you get down on this too. All right, so boom. All right, let's go take a look at these three stocks. View the stock graphs. So we know XBIO's at the bottom of the list. Even though these are my stocks of interest, XBIO's on the bottom of my list. Woo, look at that. Look at that bump up right there. Look at that pullback right there. Nicely above the 3 and the 8. About the 20-day exponential moving average. Whew. This is just in no man's land right now. It really is. All right, just be careful with that stock. RT does look good. This is my low dollar stock for you. Nicely above the 20-day exponential moving average. RT is moving up. Love both of those things. Excuse me, a little pullback right now. Here's a gap. It started fading the gap a little bit. If I'm not in the stock now, I'm going to look at enter 5 cents above the high. About 5 cents above the high. All right, so I'm going to keep that in mind. Of course, John Boston, of course, out of my VectorVest mugs. Mark is drinking his Cafe Bustelo out of his VectorVest mug. I'm going to show you about our chief stocks that I've been talking about. And last but not least, XBIO. It caught my attention because of this day. I ain't feeling it. I'm not even feeling it a little bit. All right, so tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to close out of that. Remember, I just talked to you. Oh, Joey is falling. This really, Joey? All right. So, remember, I just talked to you about. I hate you, Joey. I just talked to you about my cheap stocks. I'm going to show you something. I did a portfolio. I built a search for those cheap stocks called Hot Stock Alert. I'm going to show you what that equity curve looks like. This has been starting since 11/23, just before Thanksgiving. It's up over 12%. Now, I'm not showing the stocks because I don't want you non-subscribers to get access to that. You want to find out what stocks are in here? Take the 99-cent trial. For my subscribers, I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how you can build this search. Where is it at? YouTube. There it is. Where is it? Hot Stock Alert. I'm going to show it. And again, don't ask me over and over, how do you build the search? When you get to this portion in the video, pause the screen. I've got a search for you guys. And only people that can do this is the people who are subscribers to the software. You want to build a search that finds the stocks that are in that portfolio? There it is. If you want to take a picture of it now, do it. When Joey puts this video up, when you get to this portion, pause it so you can build it. How cool is that, folks? How do you build the search? Todd, once you're a subscriber, we'll show you how. So if this is not another reason for you guys to take the 99-cent trial, I don't know what is. If this is not a reason for you to subscribe to the channel, I don't know what is. All right, so there it is, 99 cents. For my subscribers, though, here's the search, and there's that portfolio. Hot Stock Alert, I built a search around that. And I've got this going. All right, boom. So, Todd, if you don't know how to build a search, you need to go to my Training Tuesday videos, which shows you how to build a search. All right. We've been talking about clean energy. I've got a clean energy portfolio I've been running up 50% since, when is the date here? Where's my date? What happened to my date? Oh, 9/30. We've been talking about clean energy. We got that watch list. I built the search around that watch list. What else do I got going on? Fastest growing coronavirus stocks up 24%. Look at that equity curve.
Nice.
Yeah. And you see all of these stocks, you guys are getting some of these stocks. I should be hiding that. I don't want to give this all away. Petroleum stocks, another fast moving industry, 29% since 11/4. Folks, this is all paper trading. And this has just been running in the background. I haven't even talked to you about this stuff. 99 cents. We can show you how to do this. This is automated. I'm not even managing it. This is all automated. All automated. All right. There's my hot stock alert. We have trading systems in the software. I built the portfolio around one of our trading systems, which is the S&P 500/RT. You want to know more about those, go to the viewers tab. Once you become a VectorVest subscriber, you want to know what searches in the software are doing the best? We got a trading systems viewer. 99 cents gets you access to what searches in the software are doing the best right now. 99 cents. Let's go back to the graphs. Oops, sorry. Let's go back to the portfolios. What else do I have going on? For those of you a little bit more aggressive, a trading system called a timing system called the DEW, Trending Thursday, VST Rockets using that timing system, up 17%. And if you're using a even faster timing signal, the RT kicker combo up 15%. Whew, folks. Yeah, and again, I didn't want to show the stocks because I don't want to give it all away. But 99, these are all running portfolios, paper trading portfolios. Just having a brokerage account doesn't make you money. But you know what does? VectorVest. We're the #1 stock analysis and portfolio management system that gives you the tools to maximize profits. And right now, we're offering a 30-day risk-free trial for 99 cents. That's right, only 99 cents. It's time for you to take control, and VectorVest is here to help.
Yeah.